Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like I Create It, and I want to show you a new item I just got in. It's from StyleTech Craft, and I have worked with them in the past with their vinyl, and they just released this toolkit, and it may look somewhat familiar to you as far as the contents, but the identification on it is a little bit different, and I'll show you the back where it tells you what you get. You're going to get a spatula, a weeding tool, a scraper, a pair of scissors, and the scissors come with a cap to it. It's fantastic. And then tweezers. And all of this is for crafting, working with vinyl, works great with paper crafting as well. But I go ahead and open it up here. Alright, so to show you the scissors with the cap, and these are extremely sharp scissors. Show you how the cap works on here. There we go. This is your weeding tool. It does not have a cap or a protective cap on it, and it is extremely pointy, so you want to be careful about that. Then the palette knife or the lifting tool. This can work great for a lot of different craft techniques. And then the tweezers are a little bit different than what you might be used to with your tweezers, in that they stay closed when you don't put any pressure on them, and then when you do put pressure on them, they open. So they're kind of more like a grabbing pair of tweezers to help you pick things up and hold on to things. So just off camera here for a second, picking up a piece of paper, and now I don't have any grip on it, but you can see that it's holding that paper until I pinch it, and then it will let go of it. So that's a really nice feature. And then here we have the scraper tool, which is fantastic for working with vinyl, any kind of smoothing out surfaces and so forth. It's a great tool for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will put a link in the description down below as to where you can get this. I think it's retailing for about $19.99 right now, which is comparable to other tool sets. So I hope you enjoyed looking at this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give me a comment on any of the products or on any of the videos, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and that I will see you again here soon. Thanks again.